Didiskarte ng pwesto.
Hey, lalim! Boss.
Time out, sir. Time out, bandidos.
Ay, ano mas gusto yung katapat siya?
Baktor! So, Pepo, kipita mo. Ay, Robin. Kita nyo na! Wala! Dami!
Good. Still, number 1, aiming for the bomb. No good. Here comes number 5. 8 seconds and 9 seconds sa ating second quarter. Samson, wala. Rebound by number 1. 8 minutes. Oras natin, 7 minutes and 40. Number 12, basket yan. 37-23. Aquino. Short. Here comes number 07. Number 5 for 3. Score natin 40-23. Number 10, wala. Rebound by number 5. Samson may tangan yan, 7 minutes. Samson, 12 seconds to shoot. Nakalusot. 8 seconds. Cross court. Aquino tumanggap. For the bomb again. Wala. Bola tapikan. Same ball tayo. 11 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds, sorry. Samson pasa sa ilalim. Steal. Here comes number 12. Wala. Rebound number 5. Steal again, Bandidos. Wala pa rin. Naku po. minutes and 40 seconds.
Napatalo yata.
Number 1, change player po. Ayan na, sige po. I-score natin 40-25. Siyam.
Ay, ito may bagong dating. Ay, dalawa, may bagong dating. Ay, no, number 7. Number 8.
Help. Ten seconds. In and out. Rebound by the Bandidos. Pila. Here comes Kotakte. Kotakte rushing up sa gilid. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 16. I-score natin 40-27. Wala, pumunta sa Bandidos. Last touch. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Dire-diretso lang po yan. Running time po tayo. Steal by number 16 Diaz. Kotakte. Basket para kay Kotakte. Steal again by the pool. Here comes Olchondra. There's a whistle. Foul number 7. First personal foul.
Sige, sir. Pag pumasok yung pangalawa, sir. Time out, press.
Time out, Hydra. Shot clock violation. 8 seconds. Oras natin 3 minutes and 42 seconds. Oh. Oh, bakit ito? Pila.
Auto semis na yun eh. Kasi magkakaroon ng triple time. 2-3-4 magkakaroon ng triple time. Karambola silang tatlo.
Foul number 71.
Kaya di pwedeng matalo ng malayo eh. Kaya halos tingin lang.
Kotakte. Time out, Hydra. I-score natin po. Back to the ball game.
Nice one!
12 seconds. Same ball tayo. 13 seconds to shoot. Three seconds. 3 seconds.
Paula! Wala no?
All Chandra. Rebound. Here comes Diaz. Diaz rushing up. Diaz. 40-38. Last 2 minutes tayo sa ating second quarter. Steal pero may steal pa to. Foul number 16, Diaz. First personal foul. First team foul. There's a whistle. Same ball, 20 seconds to shoot, 20 seconds. 1 minute and 35 to go. Kotakte. Basket para kay Diaz. Tabla tayo sa 40. Steal. Change paper tayo. Number 71. Foul number 08. First personal foul. First team foul. Third team foul.
Wala ka sa kape, Kuya Robert. Ay, pala yung Jerry. Kasi ako nakikinig. Saan? Ako nakikinig. Pag-ako yung mall eh. Mamaya lalagpas na kasi yan.
Dribbling violation. Last 50 seconds. Dire-diretso lang po yan. Pasa, Kotakte. Umangat, wala. Kotakte pa rin. Basket. 44-42. Steal by Kotakte. Number 16 Diaz, wala. 0-7. Here comes the Hydra. Number 7. Oops, nabitawan. Steal by Kotakte ulit. Pasa Diaz. Basket dyan. 46-42. Last 16 seconds. Steal by number 2. The Bull. Talaga naman, the ball pa rin, wala. Last 3 seconds, still again. End of the first half, 46-42. Hydra playing Pitayo.